रंग बदले
Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create this video in Capcut in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. Open the link, check comment section or description for link. Follow my steps. This is a Capcut template. Open comment section and check the first pinned comment for template link. Now connect VPN and refresh the page. I am using Octohide VPN. You can use any VPN, but make sure to connect to United States server. You can download Octohide VPN from Play Store, or the link is also given in the description. Now refresh the page by swiping down. Now click on Use Template and select the videos. Now click on Export. Now we have to change the song in this video. The song link is given in the comment section or description. Download the song and follow my steps. Open Capcut after downloading the song and select your edited video for changing the song. Now we have to mute the song of this video. Select volume, turn the volume level to 0. Now we have to add the song.
रंग बदले